In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Shopify with Godaddy domain. If you have already purchased a domain through Godaddy and you want your Shopify store to use that domain, the good news is that the connection process is straightforward. You will just need to make a few selections inside Shopify, then follow the final setup prompts. To begin, open your Shopify admin dashboard. From there, click Settings. This is where Shopify gathers the configuration options for your store, including the domain settings that control where people land when they visit your website. Once you are in the settings area, look for the option labeled Domains. Click Domains to enter the domain management section. This page shows you how Shopify handles your current domain and lets you connect an existing one. You may see your default Shopify domain here, and that is normal. We are going to add your Godaddy domain so your store can be reached using your own website address. Now that you are on the domains page, find and click Connect Existing Domain. This tells Shopify that you want to use a domain you already own, rather than creating a new one. At this point, Shopify prepares the connection flow so you can enter the domain information and complete the setup without guessing. Next, you will need to enter your Godaddy domain. Carefully type the domain exactly as it appears in your Godaddy account. Make sure you enter it without unnecessary characters and keep spelling consistent. This matters because even small differences can cause the connection to fail or require you to redo the process. After entering the domain, click Next. Shopify will now validate the domain and move you forward in the setup steps. This part is important because it confirms that Shopify recognizes the domain correctly and provides the information needed to finalize the connection. If you do not see any messages or prompts right away, give the page a moment to load, since domain setup pages sometimes take a few seconds. Now you are ready to complete the setup. Follow the on-screen instructions that appear after you click Next. Shopify may guide you through the remaining steps by showing what needs to be configured for the domain to point to your Shopify store. Use what Shopify provides on the page as your reference so you do not miss anything. As you complete the setup, pay attention to the details in the prompts and confirmations. The goal is to ensure your Godaddy domain is properly linked to your Shopify website so visitors reach the correct storefront. If there is any guidance on where to update records or how to confirm changes, follow it exactly in the order Shopify recommends. After you finish the final setup steps, take a moment to review that Shopify shows the connection as completed or in a connected state. Domain changes can take some time to fully propagate across the internet, so the status may update after a short delay. However, as long as you followed the prompts in Shopify, you are on the right track. When the connection is fully active, your Shopify store will be reachable through the domain you added from Godaddy. This is the point where you can confidently start sharing your real domain with customers, marketing campaigns, and social media, and that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.